Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 Plus, so fully electric vehicle on a 22 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll run through some of the controls in this incredibly high-spec car. So starting with the outside, you can see, of course, we have alloy wheels and 4 doors, tinted windows as well. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car. First of all, the tailgate on this car will open electrically. You can do that from this key or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and of course the necessary charging cables for the car. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through inside this car, so we'll hop in and do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Of course, everything is electric in this car, including this digital display, as you can see. We have the speedometer on the left-hand side. Total miles for the car in the middle, they are 24,407. And over on the right-hand side, you'll be able to see how much of the power you are using in real time as you drive along. It also shows you over on that right-hand side what gear this car is in. It is, of course, an automatic, and we are in park currently. We then have the battery charge level just here on the left-hand side with the max range of 208 miles based on that level of charge. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have various controls on here to get to home screen. So on the right-hand side, you can access the controls up on this main screen. You can move through various different options on this screen by swiping across, and you can see me going through, so you can have various different views for your dials. For example, you could have your navigation displayed up there. Whatever you want, you access it up here, so you can go back to the dials you're on, for example. And you'll notice exactly the same buttons here. They are for the central screen, but work in exactly the same way. We have our cruise control, speed limiter. You can set a distance between yourself and the car in front for this car to maintain. We have our phone and stereo controls on that left-hand side. And then, as I say, over to the center, we have the next screen. So fairly typical for most electric vehicles these days, this massive screen area, as you can see. It is, of course, touchscreen, or you can use the various different control methods, including the buttons on the steering wheel that I showed you just a moment ago. From here, you can, of course, pair your phone. You can access your FM, DAB radio. You can listen to your own music under the multimedia heading just there. You've got your satellite navigation, of course, and you can see climate control settings. So you can adjust the temperature for the driver and passenger. You can increase and decrease the fan speed, again, for the driver and passenger on here. And you can access the full climate control menu should you wish to. All very intuitive. You get a really nice haptic feedback from the screen as well. You can also control the screen using the buttons down here. So your volume for your stereo, for example. You can swipe through various options on here. You can access your parking camera as well. We have 2 USB-C inputs, loads of storage down here, as well as 2 cup holders and stacks of additional storage underneath this central section. Last thing I wanted to mention are the twin panoramic roofs that you see just here. There's a swipe system up here that will enable you to close those blinds should you wish to, and you can shut them all the way or, of course, open them all the way up should you wish to. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So the envelope here is the spare key, 2 keys in total, of course, and the V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.